Hey folks, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn how to install Python on different operating systems and how we can set path. Most probably you already have installed Python in your system, so you can check with this command python 3 version or python version. So let's check in my system. So I will check for Python 3. So yeah, I have installed Python 3 in my system. If you get a response like this, Python 3.8.10, then you can skip the installation process and directly jump to the Hello World program in the Python. In this series, we will use Python greater than 3.6. If you don't have Python installed in your system, then follow next steps. I have a Mac, so let's start with Mac. I will use Brew as a package manager to install Python. If you don't have Brew installed in your system, you can check out the link in the description. For install Python with Brew, you have to run this command brew install python. This command will install Python in your system and set path as well. It may take some time, so you can wait for a bit. So it is saying Python is already installed and up to date. So I'm getting the version of installed Python. Now let's check for Windows. No, not this window. This window. For this Windows, you can open this link in your browser and you can download the executable from this link. This is the latest Python version 3.11.1. And then you can follow the on-screen steps to install Python, and that's about it. Now let's check for Linux. For Linux, you have to first run sudo apt update. This command is used to download package information from all configured sources, and then you have to simply install with sudo apt install python 3.11. 3.11 is Python latest version. And after that, you can verify your Python installation with this command python 3 version. Now let's write a hello world program inside interpreter. So for interpreter, I have to run python 3. Now in this interpreter, I will print hello world with print statement. And then I'm hitting enter, so you can see hello world is printed out. For exit from interpreter, you can simply type exit function brackets. It will exit your interpreter, and you can also press Ctrl+Z. So that's how you can install Python in your system if you have Mac, Windows and Linux. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.